Anancy. Bring me Anancy.
Anancy was in his house, and from far away he could hear Tiger roaring, and he could just make out some words.
Bring me Anancy. Bring me Anancy.
And then Anancy knew Tiger was coming to his house. He quickly jumped into bed and pulled the blanket over himself. He did his best to look as sick as possible. Tiger arrived at his house and banged on the door.
Anancy, let me in. Oh, I'm so sick I can't move.
Tiger banged on the door and banged on the door and bang, bang, banged on the door so hard the door burst its hinges and fell on the floor. Tiger stomped into Anancy's house.
Anancy, where are you? Oh, I'm in bed. I can't move. I'm going to die. You are right, you're going to die,
Said Tiger in a fury. He jumped into Anancy's bedroom and saw Anancy lying on the bed, looking sick enough to die.
Anancy, what's this I hear? You've been telling Miss Selina that I was your old riding horse. Oh, Tiger, I can't talk about anything. I'm dying. Oh, my stomach. Oh, my leg. Oh, my head. I'm dying. Anancy, come with me to Miss Selina's, and we will sort this out. Oh, Tiger, I would do anything for you, but I can't move. I'm dying. I will carry you myself. Oh, that's fine. You carry me. I can't move. Oh.
So Tiger began to lift up Anancy. And then he realized it was a long way to Miss Selina's house. So he put him down on the bed and he said,
Anancy, I'll carry you on my back instead. Oh, so dear, but your back is so hard. I'm dying. Put your blanket on my back, Anancy.
on Tiger's back and climbed onto the blanket.
Oh, I think this is better.
Tiger began to run down the road with Anancy on his back.
Oh, going to fall off. I will fall off, Tiger. You're going so fast. Well, what do you want now? Oh, I have a piece of rope here. If I can hold on to this rope, I'll feel much better.
So Tiger tied the rope around his own neck and gave one end of it to Anancy for him to hold on to. Then he set off again, galloping, to Miss Selina's house. Anancy started crying once more.
Oh, Tiger, help me.
Tiger stopped running.
What is it now, Anancy? Oh, I'm being so punished by mosquitoes and flies and bees. They're all stinging me. What do you expect me to do? Oh, can you just pass me that stick beside the road so I can hit them and chase them away?
Tiger picked up the stick, passed it back to Anancy. Anancy was now sitting on Tiger's back, holding onto a rope which went around Tiger's neck, and holding onto a stick with which he was supposed to be hitting the flies and mosquitoes.
Are you ready now, Anancy?
Growled Tiger.
Oh, yes, Tiger. I'm just ready, thank you very much.
And so Tiger began to run one more time towards Miss Selina's house. And just as he was getting near, and Miss Selina was standing outside her house, suddenly Anancy sat up straight, pulled the rope tightly round Tiger's neck, and with his stick started beating Tiger on the side.
Yeah, gee up now, horsey, gee up, faster.
Tiger was so shocked by being hit by Anancy that he reared up and then galloped away at top speed.
Yeah,
"Horsey!" cried Anancy, hitting him with the stick.
Faster.
Miss Selina and all the animals were shocked and amazed to see Anancy riding Tiger like a horse. Surely it was true what Anancy had told them, that Tiger had been his family's old riding horse. Miss Selina was shocked. This was not a dignified thing for Tiger at all. Sitting on the back of Tiger, Anancy knew this couldn't last much longer. So as they ran underneath the bough of an overhanging tree, Anancy leapt upon the branch, scampered up the tree, climbed as high as he could, and stayed in the high trees for days and days and days, until Tiger's temper had finally disappeared. And that is the story of Anancy's old riding horse. I hope you liked it.